The best strategy for binary options, part 2. We will use exponential moving average, 3 exponential moving average with periods 9, 21, and 13. Additionally, we will add the stochastic oscillator indicator with periods 80 and 20. The rules are easy to follow, and we will enter the trades when the moving averages cross each other and when the stochastic oscillator also confirms the signal crossing each other too. You will open the trades for 1 minute expiration time, and that's it. Wish me good luck. Let's go to trade with this strategy for binary options and put in practice. If you want to use it, remember using the link below in this video to open your account with Pocket Option and test this strategy. My advice is using or testing the first time using your demo account. So wish me good luck.
Oh boy.
You know, I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult. Don't worry just because I need to leave. Don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy. Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, 'cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. 'Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little.
Okay, guys, this is everything. We have 6 in the morning and 2 out of the morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the morning. Was an amazing day today with these results. Here we can watch how much money we made in a few minutes. $6,000 on profits. Was a writable day. Well, we reached almost $4,000 of profits just in a few minutes trading with this strategy for binary options. If you want to use this strategy, remember, use the link below on this video. Put in practice, test it, use your demo account, and tell me and let me know how it works this strategy for you. Remember to trade for 1 minute. The candlesticks is for 30 seconds, and you need to take the trade in the moment they cross the moving average and the stochastic. I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.
Not angry